Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're going to be looking at the Strebito precision screwdriver set and 3 things you need to know about it. Well, number one, I think you can see it pretty much from here. This has got, virtually every bit you may ever need. It's got some of the real fine stuff, and it's almost more, well, it says in its name, it's a precision set. So if you've got some very small screw areas or screw sizes to deal with, this is probably going to have something that your average screwdriver kit may not go as deep into, or as another way of saying, as small that you may need depending on the size of the screw head that's there. Now it's got a rubberized handle that does extend. This is a secret sauce to this one. It does extend so that you can get, if you've got a very narrow area but it's deep but you can't get a screwdriver in the way you would like to, if you've got just a small enough area, you can probably get this in and not have any problems. You've got some other tools over here. You've got a spudger, a pry bar, you've got a flexible extension, you've got a brush to kind of help get some of the metal filings and whatnot out of the way. Here's another little pry piece, suction cup, and what you may not ever need but once in a blue moon, and that's a SIM card removal tool. So you really can't complain about that one. Everything is in rubber. I'm not even going to try to take it out of this case because it's very well organized. Everything is very clearly labeled. Even if your vision isn't maybe what it used to be, then you can still see what's going on here. It's got a magnetic screw mat. You've got a tool here that can magnetize or demagnetize bits, depending on what you need to do, and here's some little pry spudgers there as well. So this is really a very straightforward kit to have. It's something that you may not need some of this but once in a blue moon, but buddy, when that blue moon comes around, you'll be set, ready to go.